What the hell? What the hell?
Welcome to hell. Welcome to hell, where you'll get chased by not one, not two.
Walter, there is one escape. We are fucking dead.
No, we're not. No, we're not. Yo, they got him there. Oh my god!
Holy shit! There's there's 4 of them. There is fucking 4 of them.
He got the short end of the stick.
Ow.
I'm already at 52% health. This usually never happens. I usually die. Oh fuck. Fuck. Fuckity fuck. Fuckity fuck. Open the goddamn door.
Don't go up. Walter, give me a minute.
Going up.
You have killed us both, you little fucking shit! I'm gonna murder you and your entire extended family. You bitch! You fucking bitch! Why are you just sitting there? Why? Why? What the fuck did I do? You fucking son of a bitch! I hate you and your entire extended family and your entire fucking bloodline. Fuck you and your bloodline. You should go to Apple recording. Oh shit!
Get with me, bitch.
Nope. I'm going down. I'm going fucking down. Bitch, get fucked! I got off the elevator.
Walter. Run while he still can. Run while he.
Grab the milk. Grab the milk. Grab the milk. Grab the milk. Grab the milk.
Walter, get away!
What's going on? Grab the milk. Grab the milk. Grab the milk.
Oh my god!
You killed us.
Oh shit! How am I alive? How am I alive? Oh my god!
Well, you're not. You're about to not be. You're about to fucking not be. Get the fucking door closed right fucking now. Damn you. I'm gonna drink my milk. Fuck you. Well, that was rude. Please don't. I'm sorry. What? Why? Asshole. What an asshole. So inconsiderate of others' feelings. Ningayundayo. Nigayundayo. Wait, I didn't say that. No. What? No, I didn't say that. My ankles do not hurt. Walter, please. Walter, please. Walter, please. Walter, you bitch!
Survival of the fittest.
Get fucking juked, you son of a bitch!
Hey.
Oh, you bitch!
Done.
Ah! No! You scary motherfucker! You scary motherfucker! You's a scary motherfucker. Ningayundeyo! 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 Get the fuck back here! You son of a bitch! Good luck with that. There's like 3 coming your way.
Let me up.
Let me up. Let me up. No, damn it.
Buddy.
This is genuinely terrifying.
It is. It really is.
I'm going down. Fuck you and your life.
Yes, please come down.
They're all up there. They're all up there.
Oh, they're coming
No,
after
dude,
you.
don't go up. Don't go up. They're all up there. You're an idiot. Yeah, no. I was gonna say you're a fucking idiot.
Yeah. Oh no, you're the idiot.
Says who, bitch? You bitch! You bitch! You bitch! You bitch! You bitch! I will fucking juke you. I will juke you all, you cunts. I will juke you all. I will fucking juke all of you.
No, I'm saying this again.
Go.
Well,
This is terrifying. I just want to drink my milk. Milk. Eases the pain. Alright, everybody, I'm tired of screaming for today. My throat hurts. Fuck you all. I'm fucking done.